Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Rochester, local, and long-distance movers near me. Before a move of more than 50 miles can succeed, you need the best people in charge. We've recorded no failures in the hundreds of long-distance relocations we've done for several customers. When things go wrong, which is unlikely, our movers can handle the situation. It's thus possible to relocate any expensive gadgets from the present location to the new one without breaking, scratching, or defacing any of them. Not all moving firms who claim to do these can deliver on their promises. Suppose anything happens to your belongings while in our care, we have insurance to cover the costs. Therefore, you have nothing to worry about when you hire 3 movers to handle your move. All of our drivers have been appropriately vetted and certified, and as a result, they treat their customers' property as if it was their own. There are also less headaches when moving within a city. However, it still needs the assistance of trained professionals to ensure a successful local move. To avoid wasting your time and money on shady movers, we, as lovers of the inhabitants of Rochester, recommend that you steer clear of them. Our hourly rate is between $30 and $40, and there are no additional fees. Get settled into your new place within a few hours with our aid. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rochester moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.